If you think no annual fee credit cards are always the best deal, think again. Sure, they look like the safe choice, no fees, no strings, but here's what most people miss. That free card in your wallet could be costing you hundreds in lost rewards every year. In this video, we're breaking down the smartest zero annual fee cards for 2025 and exactly how to use them to maximize cashback, travel perks, and more. You'll learn about top picks like the Chase Freedom Flex, the Amex Blue Cash Everyday, and even a card that lets you earn rewards on your rent. We'll also show you how to build the perfect no-fee trifecta, a combo of 3 cards that cover all your major spending categories and can unlock over $1,000 in annual rewards without paying a single dollar in fees. Maximizing rewards with no annual fee credit cards is an essential topic for anyone looking to enhance their financial strategy without incurring extra costs. Understanding credit card rewards is crucial as it allows consumers to make informed decisions that can lead to significant savings. Many people overlook the hidden costs associated with credit cards, such as high interest rates or annual fees, which can diminish the value of the rewards earned. By choosing the right no annual fee credit cards, individuals can enjoy the benefits of cashback, travel points, or other rewards without the burden of additional charges. This approach not only helps in accumulating rewards, but also ensures that users are not caught off guard by unexpected fees that can eat into their savings. The potential savings from using the right credit cards can be substantial, allowing cardholders to maximize their purchasing power while enjoying perks that enhance their lifestyle. As we delve deeper into this topic, we will reveal the best zero annual fee credit cards for 2025, showcasing options that provide excellent rewards without the financial drawbacks. By being strategic and informed, consumers can take full advantage of these offerings, ensuring that they reap the maximum benefits from their credit card usage while maintaining control over their finances. Many people assume that credit cards with no annual fee are always the smarter choice. On the surface, it makes sense. Why pay a fee when you don't have to? But here's the thing, that mindset can actually cost you money in the long run. While no annual fee cards feel safe, they often come with lower reward rates, usually around 1%. In contrast, cards that charge an annual fee often offer 2% or higher, which means your rewards can stack up much faster. Let's break it down with simple math. Say you spend $10,000 a year on a card. With a 1% return, that's $100 back dollars, but with 2%, you're getting $200. That's double the return. Enough to offset most annual fees and still come out ahead. Choosing a credit card isn't just about avoiding fees, it's about the full picture, what you spend, where you spend, and how you can earn the most in return. That said, not everyone wants to pay a fee, and that's where the zero fee trifecta comes in. This is a 3-card strategy using no annual fee cards to cover multiple spending categories. Usually, it includes a cashback card, a travel rewards card, and a points earning card for specific categories like groceries or dining. By splitting your spending across these cards, you can still earn strong rewards without paying anything extra. One example is the Chase Freedom Flex. It gives you 5% cash back on rotating categories each quarter, groceries, gas, dining, etc. If you spend $1,500 in a quarter on the bonus category, you get $75 back. That adds up fast. Plus, the card typically offers a solid welcome bonus for new users and other perks like 3% on dining and drugstores. Just remember, you have to activate those categories every quarter or you'll miss out. Another solid pick is the American Express Blue Cash Everyday card. It gives you 3% cash back at US supermarkets, gas stations, and select online retailers. That's perfect for families and everyday expenses. There's also a strong welcome bonus and 0% intro APR for 15 months. Great if you're planning a big purchase. Add in perks like a monthly Disney bundle credit and it becomes even more valuable. Bottom line, no annual fee cards can be great, but only if you use them smartly. Don't just go for free, go for value. The Wells Fargo Autograph card is a strong pick for anyone who wants flexible rewards without an annual fee. What sets this card apart is its 3% cash back on a wide range of categories: dining, travel, gas stations, streaming services, and more. That kind of coverage means you don't have to twist your spending habits just to earn rewards. Whether you're grabbing takeout, booking a flight, or filling up your tank, this card delivers consistent value across real-life purchases. There's also a welcome bonus that makes the card even more appealing. New card holders can earn a solid chunk of cash back after hitting a minimum spend within the first few months. It's a fast way to kickstart your earnings. On top of that, the autograph card includes built-in cell phone protection. Just pay your monthly bill with the card and you're covered against damage or theft. That's a perk you don't often find on no annual fee cards. Travelers will appreciate the lack of foreign transaction fees too. Whether you're overseas for work or leisure, you won't get hit with those annoying extra charges every time you swipe. Add all that together and you've got a card that delivers serious value without nickel and diming you. Then there's the Capital One SavorOne card, a favourite for foodies and anyone who loves nights out. You get 3% cash back on dining and entertainment, which includes everything from restaurants to bars, concerts and movie tickets. If you spend regularly on fun and experiences, this card pays you back for living your life. And if you've got a travel itch, you're covered. The cashback you earn can be converted into travel miles, giving you more flexibility when booking flights or hotels. Like the Autograph card, the SavorOne also skips foreign transaction fees, making it a smart companion for international trips. For renters, the Bilt Mastercard does something rare. It lets you earn points on rent without a fee or a markup. Pay your rent through the card and earn 1 point per dollar. Then transfer those points to top travel partners or redeem for exclusive experiences. It even includes purchase protections and travel perks typically found on premium cards. Finally, the Citi Custom Cash card tailors itself to your spending. Each billing cycle, it automatically gives you 5% back on your top spending category, whether that's groceries, gas or dining. No need to activate or choose categories. For added value, you can pair it with other Citi cards to maximize your total rewards. When comparing the Wells Fargo Active Cash card and the Fidelity Rewards card, both stand out for their straightforward reward structure, offering a flat 2% cashback on all purchases. This simplicity makes either card an attractive option for consumers who prefer not to navigate complicated rewards categories. However, there are notable differences between the two, particularly in terms of welcome bonuses and APR offers. The Wells Fargo Active Cash card typically provides a generous welcome bonus after meeting a minimum spending requirement within the first few months, along with an introductory 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for a specified period. In contrast, the Fidelity Rewards card also offers a welcome bonus, but its focus is more on long-term investment benefits, as cash back earned can be deposited directly into a Fidelity investment account, allowing users to grow their rewards over time. This unique feature appeals to those looking to integrate their spending with investment opportunities. Additionally, while both cards offer flat cash back, the Wells Fargo Active Cash card provides more traditional cashback management, allowing users to redeem rewards as statement credits or direct deposits. Ultimately, the choice between these two cards may come down to whether a consumer prioritizes immediate cashback rewards or the potential for long-term investment growth through Fidelity. Effectively using the zero-fee trifecta involves strategically combining 3 different credit cards to maximize rewards across various spending categories. A recommended combination typically includes a cashback card for everyday purchases, a travel rewards card for travel expenses, and a point-earning card for specific categories like dining or groceries. This approach allows cardholders to earn the highest rewards possible based on their spending habits. For instance, if a consumer spends $1,000 monthly on groceries, $500 on dining, and $300 on travel, they can potentially earn hundreds of dollars in rewards annually by utilizing the right cards for each category. The potential annual rewards can vary significantly based on individual spending patterns, but with the trifecta strategy, users can often accumulate rewards that exceed $1,000, depending on their expenditures. However, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of paying off balances in full each month to avoid interest charges, which can quickly negate the benefits of earning rewards. By maintaining a disciplined approach to credit card usage, consumers can enjoy the perks of the zero-fee trifecta while ensuring they remain financially responsible. This strategy not only enhances the value of credit card rewards, but also promotes healthy financial habits, allowing users to reap the maximum benefits without falling into debt. In summary, utilizing the right no annual fee credit cards can significantly enhance your financial strategy by maximizing rewards without incurring extra costs. These cards offer various benefits such as cashback on everyday purchases, travel rewards, and unique features tailored to your spending habits. By understanding how to leverage these cards effectively, you can accumulate rewards that translate into real savings and valuable experiences. Whether you're looking to earn points on dining, travel, or everyday expenses, the right combination of no annual fee cards can help you achieve your financial goals. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more credit card tips and smart financial strategies. Hit the like button and share this video with anyone who wants to make better money moves. And check out other videos to dive deeper into credit card hacks, zero-fee strategies, and building long-term financial freedom. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.